HX220 automatic high-speed book sewing machine, capable of reaching top speeds of 200 signatures per hour. The all-new mechanical, electrical, and pneumatic setup uses new carbon fiber components and 3 sets of cam boxes. The feeders, sewing saddles, and movements of the upper sewing components, sewing needles, hook needles, and thread cutters are driven by these 3 cam devices. The cams and rotating shafts are sealed in an enclosed oil bath to prolong the lifespan of the mechanical components. It eliminates noise, vibration, and reduces the need for regular checks and maintenance.